Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some fantastic home office setup ideas that will help you create a productive and stylish workspace. Whether you work from home or need a designated area for studying or pursuing your hobbies, designing an inspiring and functional home office is key. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's dive in. Selecting the right space. The first step in creating a home office is selecting the right space. We will discuss different options like a spare room or a dedicated corner in a multi-purpose room, or even utilizing an underutilized nook or alcove. Discover how to elevate the available space and choose the best location for your home office setup. Ergonomic furniture and layout. Ergonomic feature and furniture and efficient layout are essential for a comfortable and productive home office. We will showcase different textiles, chairs, and storage solutions. Learn how to set up your desk, chair, and other elements to promote proper posture, minimize strain, and create an organized workspace. Lighting and ambience. Lighting and ambience plays a significant role in creating an inspiring and focused work environment. We will discuss options like natural light, task lighting, and ambient lighting. Discover how to position your desk to maximize natural light and incorporate lighting fixtures that provide adequate illumination for your tasks. Organization and storage. A well organized home office is essential for maintaining productivity and minimizing distractions. We will explore storage solution like shelves, filling cabinets, and desk organizers. Learn how to declutter your workspace, establish a filling system, and keep essential items within reach to create a tidy and efficient office setup. Personalize and decor. Personalizing your home office with decor elements adds personality and inspiration to your workspace. We will discuss options like wall art, motivational quotes, or plants. Discover how to incorporate these elements tastefully to create a visually appealing and uplifting environment that reflects your style and taste. Tech and connectivity. Technology and connectivity are crucial in modern home office. We will explore options for a cable management, charging stations, and setting up a reliable internet connection. Learn how to optimize your tech startup to ensure seamless communication and efficient workflow in your home office. That concludes our home office setup ideas for a productive and stylish workspace video. We hope that these ideas have inspired you to create a functional and visually appealing home office. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which home office setup idea resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and home and office content. Until next time, happy organizing and enjoying create a productive and stylish workspace in your home office.